So here's our Sudoku puzzle. After running constraint propagation by iterating the functions eliminate and only choice, we get to this point, where in each box we've recorded the values that are allowed in that box. And let's pick one at random, say this one with values 8 and 9. Since we don't know what value will go here yet, we'll just consider both possibilities. We'll try to solve the Sudoku obtained if this value is an 8, and also the Sudoku obtained if this value is a 9. Thus, we start to create a tree of possibilities. Obviously, we could have picked any other box and split it into its available values, but the reason we picked a box with only 2 values is because this will be less work. So let's recap. Here we have our original Sudoku and the 2 possibilities for this box, 8 and 9. For each of the 2 possibilities, we again run constraint propagation. Let's say we're on one on the left, and after running constraint propagation, we see that we're still not done. We look at one of the boxes with the fewest number of possibilities, and let's say this is a box here with 3 possibilities, 1, 5, and 9. Well, now we branch out our tree again and try to solve the 3 Sudokus obtained this way. Let's say we try to solve the one on the left, and that one doesn't give us a solution. No problem, we'll try with the next one. Let's say this splits into 2 Sudokus. And again, let's say the one on the left doesn't reach a solution, but the one on the right does. Hooray, we've reached a solution. This will be the general procedure. If we don't solve the Sudoku and we get a few possibilities for some boxes, we'll branch out and try to solve the Sudokus obtained this way. If we reach a Sudoku that can't be solved, then we move to the next one. And we do this until we reach a solution. This procedure is called depth-first search. The depth-first search algorithm works as follows. We start by the root and traverse the tree always in the leftmost fashion. When we reach an end, we go to the next branch to the right and keep going. We'll have the chance to learn this more detail later in the nano degree.